Restoring relationships can feel like trying to piece together a shattered vase. It's delicate, and every move counts. First, I've learned that acknowledging the issue is crucial. It's like shining a light on the cracks. Ignoring them only makes things worse. So, I take a deep breath and confront the situation head-on. Next, I focus on listening. This isn't just about hearing words. It's about understanding feelings. When someone shares their perspective, I make it a point to listen without interrupting. It's amazing how much clarity comes from simply being present. I nod, I ask questions, and I reflect back what I hear. This shows I care, and it opens the door for honest dialogue. Then comes the part where I need to own my mistakes. I've realized that saying "I'm sorry" isn't enough. I need to express why I'm sorry and how I plan to change. It's about taking responsibility and showing that I'm committed to making things better. This vulnerability can be tough, but it's essential for rebuilding trust. After that, I try to find common ground. I think about what brought us together in the first place. Shared interests, memories, and values can serve as a foundation for healing. I suggest activities we both enjoy, whether it's a walk, a meal, or just a chat over coffee. Reconnecting through shared experiences can reignite that spark. I also remind myself that patience is key. Relationships don't heal overnight. I give space when needed, allowing emotions to settle. It's like letting a pot of water cool before trying to stir it. I check in periodically, showing that I'm still invested in the relationship, but I don't push too hard. Finally, I embrace the idea of moving forward. I've learned that it's not about forgetting the past, but rather learning from it. I focus on creating new, positive memories together. It's about building a stronger bond, one that acknowledges the past but doesn't get stuck in it. Restoring relationships takes effort, vulnerability, and a willingness to grow. It's a journey, but every step brings us closer to understanding and connection.